Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby app on OnePlus 9. So firstly, let me go into the Play Store, tap on the search bar and Dolby on. Now let's install the Dolby app. And now once the installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Now I'm going to skip this. Not now, I'm not going to register. I'm just going to start audio recording very quickly. You can also start an normal recording, video recording, but I'll just start the basic audio record. Now I will turn it off. Now in the bottom left corner you're going to see your gallery, so let's head there. Here is the recording that I have just made, and if this icon is colorful, it means the audio is being played with effects of Dolby on app. But if you press on this button and this icon is going to turn gray, it means the audio is being played raw. So that's going to be all, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.